Welcome to this video tutorial for PLI Plus, PLI's legal research database. This tutorial will demonstrate the highlighting, annotating, and bookmarking functions on the platform. Here we are seeing Chapter 7 of Investment Advisor Regulation, a step-by-step guide to compliance and the law. As I'm reading this chapter, I can highlight a portion that's important to me and that I may need to return to again. I select the text and then click Highlight. In addition to highlighting portions of a chapter, I can also make notes for myself. Once again, I select text, and this time I click Add Note. I type my note and then click Save. I can also bookmark a place in the chapter so that I can quickly come back to that location. All bookmarks will sync up with the PLI Plus mobile app, producing a seamless experience. By clicking on the Notes and Marks icon on the top right, I can see everything I have noted, highlighted, or bookmarked in that chapter. The pop-up module shows all my notes for the chapter. Once again, all my bookmarks, notes, and highlights instantly sync up with the mobile app for a seamless experience as I move from desktop to tablet. This concludes our tutorial on the highlighting, annotating, and bookmarking features on PLI Plus. We make additional training guides available at our training center, and if you have any questions or need research assistance, please email our library relations team at plus@pli.edu.